Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show how to add Google phone on your website. If you wanna change text phone, you can change using Google phone. In this video I'm gonna show. Okay, now you can see that here some text and this text. I'm gonna show how to change this text phone using Google phone and how to embed Google phone on your website. Okay, so let me go to the first of all Google. Okay, and that's right here Google phone and click enter, and I can see the first one Google phones. Okay, and click this, and here you can see that a lot of phones, whatever phone you like, from here you can do this. Now you can see this is the example. Now this phone, I mean that after adding your Google phone and how your text will look like. Now you can see there are example. Okay, so also you can see using and here text and preview. You can see and how your text will look like after adding this phone in your website. And you can see before, like if you write here hello there. Okay, now you can see lot of example of the phone, whatever phone you like. This like you can see also phone name here, right? You can see this Roboto. This phone name is Roboto. You can see that lot of phone. Okay, and also this phone name open sense, like this. You can see again Noto Sen Japanese. Okay, this phone also you can see that name of the phone. Okay, and now we are going to how to add this phone on our website. Okay, for example which one I like. For example, I like this phone. For example, you like this phone. Okay, and click this, and from here you can just customize some phone size. From here you can change the font size of this phone product 32. Okay, after that now you can see that of get phone and click on this one, and again click get embed code. Okay, and I can see that there are some web, Android, iOS. We are going to add web, right? So click this, and now you can see we can add this Google phone to our website using two methods, like the link by the link and import. Okay, just we are going to show by using link. Now you can see select web and just link. Okay, and now you can see that here is our coffee code, and click we have to copy this, and also we can click copy code. Okay, and after copying, just go to the your file where you wanna add this Google phone this Google phone. Okay, link up. Now you can see, so make sure that you link up Google phone CDN or style sheet, whatever you can say, just inside in header. Right, now you can see there is a header tag. We have to add this inside header, and click this. Okay, and paste this here. Whatever link we have copied, we paste here. Right, now you can see. Okay, we have added this in our website, and go back again here. Now if you scroll down and go below, you can see here is a class. Okay, so whatever phone we added, now you can see this phone here, Exil. Okay, this phone, and copy this phone and go back again and paste the inside style tag CSS, and just replace this class. Okay, I wanna add this phone to the p tag. Okay, just call this p tag. Okay, this man this means, and this all css this phone will be applied on this p tag, right? So now you can see, and just go to the now you can see this text. No, we have already added this phone, right, for the p tag. So again I can see that if I refresh, you can see that this text phone will be changed. Now let me refresh. Okay, now you can see that this phone has been changed. That means we successfully added Google phone. Okay, so also if you wanna again change Google phone, or just you do not need again embed or added Google phone CDN, just you need class. Okay, so let me show how to add another font. Like for example, we like and this font. Okay, and click this, and from here you can change also font size. I'm gonna end font size this one. Now you can see from here you can change font weight. So I'm gonna change just and this one. Okay, and I can see get font. Click this again, and click this one again, and just scroll down. Now we don't need again this code, right, because of we already added this in our website, right? Just we need a class. Just scroll down. Now you can see, and this phone we added right few minutes ago. Just copy and this phone, this class. Okay, and just replace by the this, right? And just I'm gonna change and this name. Now you can see I do not need this again. Okay, we added another font, right? And just refresh. If you refresh, you can see that again this font, this text font will be changed also. Just let me refresh. Okay, now you can see that already this font has been changed, and in this way we can add any font of the Google and inside text. Okay, I hope this video is for helpful you. If you think that this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel, and see you next video.